Hi Daly City Rec at home, my name is Cherry and today we're going to make a flower bouquet. For your supplies today you'll need a glue stick, a Sharpie, a sheet of green paper, a sheet of yellow paper, and 3 other colors of your choice, a pair of scissors, and some ribbon. So you're going to get your green paper, fold it in hot dog style, and then cut it on the folded side about 1 inch apart. Your next step is to roll it and then glue it at the end. After you do that, you're going to draw circles on the yellow paper for the pollen and then flower petals on the other colored paper and then cut it out. After you've cut them all out, it should look something like this. And then you're going to put the pollen and glue it onto the petals, then glue the petals onto your stems. So now that you've glued all of your flowers onto the stems of the bouquet, I'm going to make a little bumblebee. Your last step is to tie the ribbon around the bottom of the bouquet. And that's how you make your flower bouquet. Thanks for watching.